superhero? How you doing?
My name is Trisha.
Trisha?
Trisha.
Okay, hey. No.
Wait, what?
Hey, I'm Batman.
Did I say for the creepy sign now?
Ooh, what's this? Cool.
Incredible coat. I'm going to steal everything.
You're gonna steal everything, then you're the villain and not the superhero.
Space adventure landing in their home.
Ooh.
Trisha is my hero.
Yeah, Patricia saved you. Yay! Oh, that's worth millions. Just take it.
They might be fake.
Oh, fake. Womp, womp,
I said
womp,
it
womp.
was right.
Oh, I'd say it definitely is. What'd you do, Lucas? You made the jewelry disappear. Oh, okay. Ah, it's gone! Superman! Bless you. Ooh, they're gonna build us a superhero from scratch. I'm becoming a superhero. Yay. Look at that room, it's cool. I got those except the penguin. I don't have the penguin. Cool.
In 1976, Wonder Woman and the $6 million Man were also 70s TV heroes. The Incredible Hulk was the most successful.
It's like my bedroom. There's Stan Lee. There's a young Stan Lee. You recognize him? Oh, look at this superhero, Connor.
Not even
It's... Ooh, ah, ooh. Whoop, whoop.
stop doing those stuff.
Ooh. Look. Look, you know how much this is? It's half off right now. Oh. It's half a Batmobile.
No, it's too loud.
But with the power of flex tape, we would fix the Batmobile.
I love buttons.
I love buttons too. You're gonna blow up the Batmobile. Boop, you booped his nose? Connor. You built that just now, Connor? You're brilliant. That child is a genius. It's the Jenga Batmobile. Ooh. Look what I'm doing. I'm way up in the sky now. Okay. Yeah? Oh, you're too big for that, Connor. Ooh, coldness. Ooh. That's cool.
He's raised.
Yeah. You can get in here and you squish yourself. Ooh, it's your hand. Ooh. It's a bee. You killed the bee. Hero, I'm a superhero. How about you? You want to? You blew up Earth. You're a villain. All of them got that same cat in there. Seen Bill in the Batmobile? He's fast. He can build Batmobiles really quick. Look at this! Oh! Cool. What are you doing? Seeing how... Goodness. Wow, you can jump 0, 0, 0.
Yeah, I don't think that's what it is.
It's my favorite superhero. Plant Man, Plant Man, Plant Man. Ooh, look at the robot arm. It's the Terminator. And you want your picture of Iron Man? Ooh. I don't know what's going on either, but it might transform you. Yeah. Yeah, make a movie, Lucas. Whoa, cool. Yeah, do it, Lucas. Ooh, you're a movie maker, man. Ooh, the Penguin and Batman. Ooh. Look at Robin, he's watching. Woo! Oh, no. What is this movie rated? Woo! Okay. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, yeah. That's interesting, Lucas. What you got him? Cool. Yeah, okay. Woo! Woo! Wow, that's weird. Oh, hey. Cool. Woo! That's a cool backsack. It's Walt Disney.
Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths. Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Do, 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 do.